Welcome to Casaroro Falls, Valencia. Nie, pôjdeme tak pomalinky, aby maminka vládala. So welcome to Casaroro Falls. You need to get a jeepney from Dumaguete to Valencia. From Valencia, habal-habal, which means motorbike, to the falls, and then it's 335 steps to get to the falls. Jungle trek to Casaroro Falls. Yeah, actually it's fun going downstairs, but we will have to go up those 335 steps. Giant bamboo. The last part are metal steps, and I wonder what's next. By the river, trek changes to the jungle trek. Little bit of rock climbing.
And also, the Casaroro Falls is the biggest falls here in Negros Oriental. There are many waterfalls here, but this is the biggest.
Thank you.